Hi. Thank you so much for coming. We are the Monmouth College Chorale, and this is our home tour concert. We went on a short-ish tour over spring break, Midwestern locations, just 4 nights, 2 nights in St. Louis, and then various places in Iowa. So we did an evening concert in St. Louis, an evening concert in Des Moines. We visited 3 high schools and did choral exchanges. They're always really fun. They're partly for recruiting, but also just to share our music with high school students and have them sing for us. We went to Grinnell, we went to Waukee, which is in west of Des Moines, and we went to Davenport, and had a great time. Did some fun stuff as well. So we are now sharing our music with you, and the second song is Oculus non vidit. And if you could put yes, the text, there isn't very much text, you'll see. It's from Corinthians. No one has ever seen, no one has ever heard, no human heart has ever imagined what God has prepared for those who love Him. So you might imagine what kind of music would be inspired by, that would result from that text. And this composer, you'll hear this first line, Oculus non vidit, nec audis audivit, many times as the choir repeats that, almost kind of inducing a sort of meditative state. And the very last line repeats, another part that repeats a lot, and it's kind of ethereal, sort of otherworldly. So it's a cool, I think, cool, mysterious, and beautiful piece that tries to paint the picture of the text. Thank you very much. The chorale's going to go off. Chamber choir will sing some songs for you, and we'll come back in just a few moments. And in the meantime, here is a special guest speaker.
Hi, I'm Riley, and I'm the current president of the Chorale. I just wanted to firstly say thank you all for coming. We really appreciate the awesome turnout. I hope you've enjoyed what we've done so far, and I know Tim touched a little bit on what we did on this tour, but I just wanted to talk about what we do kind of in general. So every year we go on a tour, and every 4 years it's an international trip. And last year we did a really big one. We went to Greece, and that cost us just a little bit of money, you can imagine. And so in order to raise money to go on these trips, we do various fundraisers throughout the semester. We do like spaghetti dinners, trivia nights. You've probably been to them or seen advertisements for them. We really appreciate everybody that participates in those. And if you would like to donate so we can keep doing those things, we'd be happy to have it. I just wanted to say thank you guys again so much for coming, and enjoy the rest of the concert.
next tune, Pure Imagination, is from what? Willy Wonka, yeah, so it's from the original Willy Wonka tune. It was featured in the more recent version of the musical with Timothée Chalamet as well. So this is a vocal jazzy arrangement by Ben Graham, who's done a lot of arranging for a cappella groups like Pentatonics, and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you. And the last song the chamber choir will do is called Apple Tree, arranged by Katerina Guyman. I was happy that both Justin Swearinger and Eli Kelly went along with us on the trip. Eli actually sang with us. Justin went along because he's lovely and nice and helped out with lots of things. And since they were there, and since they're both percussionists, I asked them to play percussion on this song, Apple Tree. I hope you enjoy it. Also features Ken Huth on the clapping part of the percussion. song is called Casar Miela Gahi by Venezuelan composer Alberto Grau. And there's only one line of text in this whole song, which is that Casar Miela Gahi, the earth is tired. And you'll hear it sung at lots of different dynamic levels. You'll hear it shouted, you'll hear it whispered, you'll hear it sort of hissed. Sometimes it's very dissonant. It's expressing this sort of pain of what the earth is experiencing and how we need to take, so it's a composer's statement about how we need to take better care of the earth. And so he uses lots of some sort of unconventional singing and choral techniques in this. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you. The next song is called Tana Solici, and it's a Slovenian folk song, so it's in Slovenian. One of the cool things about choral programming and choral repertoire is we have this vast well of music to draw from music all over the world in different cultures and different languages, so we can have a little taste of what it's like. What is a Slovenian folk song like, and what are some folk traditions that we can learn about and learn, to pronounce the Slovenian. And also this, centuries of music going back to the Middle Ages and Gregorian chant all the way till now. But this is a kind of folk song, folk tale, and it's about a wedding celebration, and the people are singing and partying and celebrating, and they're making so much noise through stomping and clapping that they're drowning out the sound of the river, they're drowning out the sound of the church bells. So of course you will hear some stomping and clapping in this piece as part of the music. So here's Tana Solici. Thank you very much for coming, and it's great to have a good turnout today for this concert. I hope you enjoyed it. We always invite, at this point, people to come up and sing with us, A Flame of White and Crimson. If you have been in chorale before, been in choir before, are an alum, want to just come and sing it, there's some current Monmouth students up there who could come and sing. Hiding their faces. Yes, Ryan, Eli, Isn't Caitlin McCullough here somewhere? And Drew Piffle, and Emma Romano. Excellent. So thank you again. I hope you can come back. back to other events. We have other concerts this semester and student recitals, several students giving recitals. Information is in your program about upcoming events, but the final choir concert of the year will be first weekend of May. It'll be a Sunday afternoon, May 4th at 3 p.m., so you can come back and hear some great music then. That will also feature the concert choir directed by Caitlin McCullough. And yay! And so we're going to do, Chorale will do some music on our own, chamber will do music, concert choir will as well. We're going to mix things up a bit too. We'll do just a soprano alto piece for both chorale and concert choir, just a TV piece. We'll do one piece all together. We're also premiering, Chorale will do a world premiere of another piece that was written for us. David Calderella wrote another piece for us that we performed in December, and we're starting work this week on the next piece that we commissioned from him, so we will premiere it at that concert. So thanks for coming. Here is A Flame of White and Crimson.